If you don't like being broke but still do nothing about it, then buckle up and learn these skills. All right, listen up, folks. Here are the 8 high-income skills you need to master in 2025. First up, coding. Whether it's Python or JavaScript, tech is the new gold rush. Next, digital marketing. Trust me, being a social media ninja pays off. Third, data analysis. Numbers don't lie, and companies need someone to make sense of them. Number 4, project management. If you can juggle tasks and people like a pro, you're in demand. Fifth, sales. Closing deals. That's charging in your pocket. Sixth, UX UI design. Make apps and websites user-friendly and you're golden. Number 7, cybersecurity. Protecting data is like guarding treasure. And finally, financial management. Help businesses grow their money and you'll grow yours too. There you have it. Master these skills and watch your income soar. Now go get that paper.